Alright, I have a good news for you. AWS Skill Builder is providing free hands-on, and you can see it's limited time offer, that is it's valid till 2nd November 2025. So let us walk through what are the hands-on available. So these are the hands-on: EC2, S3, IAM, CloudFront, DynamoDB, Lambda. The most used services that is the most popular services are available for the hands-on. So what you got to do, you got to click on the enroll button. I have already signed into my skill builder. Let's click on enroll, and here we go. I have enrolled. So it's very easy for you. If you're registering for the first time, you need to create one skill builder account. You might be presented out with the sign in page and all. And if you aren't already signed in, you'll be seeing this page, sign up or sign in. Then as per if you're individual, you can register using AWS Builder ID. If you are working in any kind of service or product based companies, your company might be a partner, you can sign in using this as well. If you're Amazon employee, you need to sign in this as well. So all the ways you can sign in, whichever is applicable to you. If you're a college student or something, you can use this AWS Builder ID. It's great. Then you need to, it's a very easy process. So here basically you'll be presented out with the create builder AWS Builder ID. You need to provide your email, and you got to click on next and next. So this is very easy process. Once you're done, you'll be presented out with this, the builder lab training, EC2, let's say introduction, get training. And let's say I want to start here, I can start here. There are view next as well. Once done, there are achievements as well. And here we go, we have the steps. We can start lab, and you got to open the console here. And here we go, we are presented out with the console. So we can easily follow the steps what's mentioned here, right? All these steps what I have told, open console, it's already there. You can just follow the steps, the content, what it will do, the user data, and also similarly all the hands-on is designed. Please do share this video with your friends or colleagues who want to do hands-on experience on AWS. This is the opportunity to learn and get something or learn something by trying and doing things. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn at the rate of Cloud Guru Amit, or Instagram at the rate of Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.